In every engine, there's a story of heat, pressure, friction. Over time, carbon builds, grease hardens, contamination takes hold, and precision begins to disappear. Traditional cleaning methods scrape, soak, grind. They remove more than contamination. They remove tolerance. They remove integrity. But there is another way. Dry ice blasting. No water, no harsh chemicals, no abrasion. Just pure controlled impact that lifts contamination without touching the metal beneath it. Engine components, transmission housings, precision machined parts, restored, without disassembly, without downtime. This isn't cosmetic cleaning. This is industrial precision, where every surface matters, where tolerances matter, where performance begins with purity. Located in Winnipeg, Advanced Environmental Services delivers precision dry ice blasting for automotive parts cleaning without abrasion, without chemicals, without compromise. Restore performance, protect tolerances, eliminate contamination at the source. Call today and bring your components back to spec.